Goa has been the first state talking about regenerative tourism, which talks about the pillars of ecology, environment, society, culture, putting together, and that's very important for every aspect to make it inclusive. That has been seen in the numbers. We look at a very the first 6 months itself has given a record numbers as far as compared to the last 24. So 2025 vis-a-vis 24 has seen a growth. Newer markets which we have participated in road shows or events or trademarks, making it very importantly that whatever we have been doing, we have been converting it into tourist and for tourism purpose, what I just spoke about. So I think for the domestic tourist or the international tourist, we have understood what they need and we actually curating what they need. We have to understand that Goa has been a preferred destination and we just need to ensure that we are able to give more and more and ensure that a good tourist come with the thought of responsibility, because with responsible tourist comes responsible tourism. Whatever influencers are using the social media space, other than the normal issues what they are talking about, which we have already been addressing along with our Chief Minister, I think rest of them I would always say that the media should ask them whether they have been a part to that story or they have been talking because they have been told to talk from one particular source for a particular reason. So Seva Deva Bhava, service is divine, is also very important when we talk about tourist is God. So I think today's hashtag, other than Atithi Deva Bhava, talking about Seva Deva Bhava also will be very important for the state and the industry. The changes in the whole taxation from 28% to 18% and 12% to 5% has given a relief to a lot of people in this particular tourism sector. The stakeholders meeting was already chaired with the Chief Minister. All these issues have been shared. Ease of doing business for the event managers, but also looking at the fees and the structure. At the end of the day, people who come and want to do events in Goa need to spend in Goa. If we start making fees itself a costly part of it, then a lot of things will be deterred. So from weddings to events to conferences, I think this year should be doing good and the policies should be rolling out very fast.